We're coming to you finally from Aparecida, the second largest basilica in the world and the largest shrine to Our Lady. And we're going to talk to some of our pilgrims that walked all the way here, so we're going to share kind of what emotions we've got going on right now. So, hi everyone. Could you stand a little closer together? So what was it like to finally have arrived here after walking for so long?
Feels really good. Every blister and sore was worth coming here. I agree. I just remember walking up and it was like a hill, downward hill, and we finally saw the shrine. And I don't know, you just felt joy. It's like we did it. And like it wasn't just by ourselves, it was like with the whole group and like with the help of God and like praying and everything. So just like true joy.
Great, thanks. And what was it like to see Our Lady?
For me, it was a moment of thanksgiving. I mean, she has been our guide and our hope throughout all this journey, and that was what I did when I finally was below that image. I said, thank you to the Blessed Mother, thank you to Our Lady of Aparecida to get us here.
What about for you, Victor?
Just a great sense of gratitude, especially for my family back home. But really, I think for me, what was most beautiful about seeing Our Lady of Aparecida was seeing how she unites us. Just like she leads us to Christ, Christ wants us to be together only all the time, and all you have to do is look around here and you see that she's doing just that. So for me, that's what I'm appreciating the most, being here.
Great, cool guys. We're going to keep exploring, so we'll see you later. Bye!